Keep going for you. Right about now, about 6 months ago, a young man walked into my office and he brought me a tape. And he said, I'd like you to promote this for us. And we said, yeah, we can local talents, and we played. I liked it, you liked it. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome for Apache Indian. Let's hear it.
Yeah. Hola. Yeah, lovely. I say enjoy yourself. I say we come from the deepest parts of Bombay and Delhi for the beat. Yeah man, we come straight from the magic carpet man, straight from Bombay and Delhi and all them kind of place. So if you love PCRL, say jolly good! No man, you have to say it right like an Indian man, you have to say jolly good! Yeah man, every time. PCRL massive big up every time. Like a rhythm selector man every time, cause you know so when it come. Hold it selector, hold. Say feeling hot? Why you not feeling hot? But the two of we go by a Vindaloo Korean Indian restaurant, I tell you we're feeling hot. Alright. Leg a room selector man, leg a room, can you know say anytime we come like a bull. But this one dedicated to all the PCRL massive. I say I love the ragamuffin style. But say they can't to understand the lyrics. I know they call Apache Indian over India come to make a movie. So the brand new style gonna be shake down the whole country. Yeah man! This style! Oh Chock there for every time! Ready feet! Ready feet! We say me gonna go make a movie man over India. Hey! Oh yeah, no, hold on. Yeah man, we are flying, hold on. Hold it, selector, hold it. No. Every time we chant this lyric, all the Indian people say, boy, all the Indian people say they know everything about the Bhangra, but they know nothing about the jockey. And all the black people say they know every jockey move, but they know nothing about the Bhangra. So what now? We have 3 Indian girls and 3 black girls come to show you how to do the Bhangra jockey. No. Come on now. Eat. Yeah man. Set up man. Set up right man. Alright, everything's set up. Say no PCRL, say jolly good man, jolly good. Yeah man, every time. Like a rhythm, everything's set up.
Well, this was the Indian ragamuffin posse. I said I love the ragamuffin style. I said they can't understand the lyrics. So all the Bradford, Birmingham and South, all the massive on the Handsworth. The guy knows that the wild Indian love the tail down to the level. I know some call the wild Indian over India come make a movie. So in a brand new style, come and shake down the whole country. Oh Lord have mercy.
Ready for me?
Oh Chock there for play. We say we gon' go make a movie man. Better when we catch you in your airliner. Oh the place are when me louder than I'm a ring me. I know the power rush me baggage. No one come kiss me again.
This can't work man. Jump up too much man. You might jump up too much man. That's what I might do because just jumps up man. Stop the exercise. Make him jump. Alright. All India Ragamuffin Posse, all the PCRL massive. One more time. We'll go through this time, man. Respect. If you love PCRL, say, put up your hand if you love PCRL.
Oh, this one, dedicated to all the Indian Ragamuffin Posse. I said I love the Ragamuffin style, but I said them can't understand the lyrics. So all the Bradford, Birmingham and South, all massive on the tango. I know say the wild Indian come. I know say the call the wild Indian over India come to make a movie. So it's a brand new style, come and shake out the whole country. Oh Lord have mercy. Oh Jack there for day. You say me can come make a movie man over India. Then I will me catch a Indian airliner. Oh the bus away me land that I'm a rich star. Say who meet me I know the Prime Minister. Say who rush me baggage now I fear your father. Say who kiss me Gandhi daughter. Now me there in the country like a big movie star. Me jump on a taxi them I call a rickshaw. Pass Bombay and a California. But the people meet me they put their hands together. The woman in a sorry man in pajama. Say when they meet me they say oh get down. Ya never chitika. And then the man who me meet I know the producer. Me make one film with the one no meter. Me make another one now with the one reka. So we sing the song like Tom Mageshka. So we play the music of Ravi Shankar. We take it from the youth to be a back rider. We chat up on the mic like you could have never. So each and every one man come follow me man. Give you unique coach your body. The style of way you do one of the Bungra Jackie. Bungra Jackie. Me meet me brethren, Baldev Singh G. The two are we together, now we feel hungry. No me rice and peas, man, me no want it. Me yam and banana, me no want it. Me want for me meat, man, and me roti. Me want me all blue, man, and me gobi. On the side of chutney. Me want a glass of water, they give me pani. Me want a little liquor, now they give me desi. Say inna this your country, that a Johnny Walker. But where me come from, that a fire water. Say if you drink that, I know you're bound for supper. Take it from the youth, I be a back rider. From the elephant's trunk, I know me drink me water. You know, say this a youth, or the wild Indian. Go fit, tear down the city, go fit to the nation. With a brand new style and a brand new pattern. So each and every one come follow fashion. Me say, dip your knee, cock out your baton, man. Or this a youth, man, me a veteran, man. Listen in the style in a translation. Me say, ikdot in a that a 1, 2, 3. Pura era idi that a ABC. No me mama that a me nanny. No me papa mama that a me daddy. Me bigger brother that a me paji. But a fi me sister that a me paji. You pound and dollar, me say that a rupee. The fire water, me say that a desi. You want a glass of water, say that a pani. Me want me chalice, me say that a hooky. Me pull out me wrist and me sensi. They say, why the Apache man, are you a homily? Come take it from the youth, I'm for everybody. You know, say this a youth of the authority. Come me play it for the white Indian and yardy. So put up your hand if you love Apache man. Put up your hand man, everybody. In a brand new pattern and a brand style. Me say, dip your knee, cock out your body. Now the style of when you do, I know the Bungra Jackie man. Bungra Jackie. Oh Jack there for day.
Check one. Long reality. Who say massive?
Oh my gosh! You got the ragamuffin Bangra dancing. Apache Indian.